Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was admitted to hospital suffering from suspected dehydration Saturday, his office said, as fierce heat grips the country. Netanyahu's initial tests came out normal, and he appears to be in good condition, his office said in a statement. He was admitted Saturday to the Sheba Medical Center in Ramat Gan, a suburb of Tel Aviv. The statement, provided to CNN, said Netanyahu complained of mild dizziness before his admission. On the recommendation of the doctors, the Prime Minister continues to undergo additional routine tests. The Prime Minister released a video statement later Saturday suggesting he was dehydrated and advising people to drink more water. Yesterday I spent time with my wife in the Sea of Galilee, in the sun, without a hat, without water. Not a good idea, Netanyahu said, so first of all I want to thank all of you for your concern and also to the excellent teams here at Sheba who examined me. Thank God, I feel very well, but I have only one request from you. We are going through a heat wave in the country, so I ask you, be less in the sun and drink more water and let us all have a good week.